How to sign out Amazon Prime account from all devices. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So let's start our video. So first thing you need to do is to go to open Google Chrome on your mobile. You can do that on the laptop or PC as well. All you need to do is to type in Amazon Prime, tap on Amazon Prime, and as you can see now Amazon Prime is open in the browser. If you are not signed in, make sure that you are signed in. Just tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. As you can see, I am already signed in. The next thing you need to do is to tap on accounts and settings. So once you tap on accounts and settings, it will bring you to this page where you find your account order player. You need to just scroll to the right of the screen and you will find devices. You need to tap on devices. And here you will find the devices that you are already signed in using your Amazon Prime account and you want to sign out from those devices. So here what you need to do is, as you can see, I am Apple iPad. I am signed in to that one and I'm signed in to Hisense television. So if I want to sign out, just tap on sign out and you will be signed out from that device. So guys, this is all it takes to sign out from all the devices on Amazon Prime account. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.